Welcome to the W.K. Kellogg Bird Sanctuary. Our mission is to conserve native habitat for migratory and resident birds, and through research, education, and outreach, help people gain environmental awareness about our past, present, and future. Founded in 1927 by W.K. Kellogg, the sanctuary has seen many changes to its landscape, transforming from old farmland into the rich forests you see today. For almost 100 years, over 2 million visitors have flocked to the sanctuary to learn about our birds and to take a peaceful walk in nature. Kellogg wanted this land to be a refuge for the Canada goose, which was once considered an endangered species in Michigan. WK saw a need to conserve or protect waterfowl, and so he purchased this land near Gull Lake as a safe place for them in June 1927. Due to a network of sanctuaries like this, Canada goose numbers rebounded. Our most famous resident is the Trumpeter Swan, North America's largest flying bird. In the 1980s, this was the base of operations for Michigan's Trumpeter Swan reintroduction program and is now one of the best places in the entire state to see swans up close. From 0 swans to over 3,000 in our state today, the Trumpeter Swan is a conservation success story. This is Wintergreen Lake, a 40-acre spring-fed lake. The lake shore is a popular spot for photographers to catch that perfect swan landing. The lake is a perfect habitat for migrating ducks in spring and fall, and during the summer you might see 100 trumpeter swans on this lake. There are waterfowl here that are permanent residents, either being raised under human care or due to the injuries they received in the wild. The swans have neck bands, so we can find them in the giant flocks of other swans. We are a home to injured birds of prey that cannot be returned to the wild. These raptors are all native to Michigan, and we receive these birds from wildlife rehabilitation centers licensed by the Michigan DNR and U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. They range in size from a tiny screech owl to the large bald eagle. In our Tassel Upland game bird exhibit, you can find birds like these little bobwhites, this Lady Amherst pheasant, or this ring-necked pheasant. Sanctuary visitors enjoy spending time in our pollinator gardens, learning about native plants, and watching the pollinators at work. The sanctuary has over 3 miles of hiking trails and even connects with the North Country Trail. These trails provide hikers with many great birding opportunities, taking them through various wildlife habitats. The sanctuary is a great place to visit during all 4 seasons. For current hours of operation, please visit the sanctuary's website or social media pages. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little more about our history, and we hope to see you out here at the Kellogg Bird Sanctuary.